Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Face ID or fingerprint logging isn't working in the CIBC app, first make sure that the biometric login is enabled inside the app settings. Next, go to your phone setting, search for Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and then make sure you have enabled the fingerprint or Face ID and it is set up correctly on your device. Then you're going to restart your phone and try again. If it still does not work, turn off biometric login in the CIBC app, log out, then log back in using your password. Re-enable Face ID or fingerprint login and test it again, and that's it. Subscribe.